Yes, thank you, ma'am. So let's start our today's class. So today we are going to do revision, right? So we are starting revision from chapter addition and subtraction, and I will give you some mixed sums. Okay, I will write the sums on the board and you will solve the sums in your classwork notebook, and side by side you will write your answers in the chat box, right? ID with Devansh Vora, bache, bring your camera towards you. I can only see your fan. Aniket, Manvi, Yakshit, on your videos. Revision of table of 17. क्यों लिख रहे हो बच्चे? We have not done table of 17. We have done 16. Yes, so let's start revision part of addition and subtraction. Okay, so I will give you mixed sums. You have to be proper attentive. Very good. So our first sum. Yes, ma'am.
Anisha, beta, what are you doing? Anisha, please pay attention. Ma'am, she is roaming from here to there.
निशा बच्चे sit quietly and start doing your work. Everyone, आपको पता है ना डेली मैं देखती हूँ कौन कैसे बैठा है. So our first sum is find the sum. Find the sum. And what is the meaning of sum? Write in the chat box. Anisha is saying, ma'am, book उठा रही थी. बच्चे, today we need no book. We will do sums. मैं अपनी तरफ से आपको sums दूंगी. You don't need any book. Yes, very good, Harshit, Piyush. Plus, find the sum means that you have to add the numbers. So the numbers are 4,360, 3,465 and 750. So these are the three numbers and you have to add these three numbers quickly. I have written statement on the board. Just write this statement in your notebooks and after that I will see you all that how you students are doing your work, right? Find the sum. Sum means you already know addition. The numbers are 4,360, 3,465 and 750. You have to add these three numbers. So now let me see. ID with Samir Sani, bache, you are absent for me today. Yes, now your video is on. Ketan, Avleen, shall I mark your attendance? Shall I make you absent? Okay, let's see who will do first. Those who will do, please write your answers in the chat box. Okay, Raghav has written 8,575. So let's see this answer is right or wrong. Let's wait for more answers. Ketan has written the answer is same. Very good, Raghav and Ketan. And no problem, no need to hurry कि अगर इन बच्चों ने आंसर कर दिया है तो आपको जल्दी जल्दी करना है. You will take your time. You will do according to your speed. But the main is you have to do correct sum. Yes, Jivesh, Josna, Veda, Avleen, very good. You have written answers 8,575. Very good. So the answer is right. Very good. So I'm also doing it on the board so you can match. Firstly, what we have to do is we will arrange the number according to its place values, right? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This is the main thing before starting the sum, that we have to arrange the number according to its place value. Then it will be very easy for us to arrange the numbers. And the one more thing to arrange the number in an easy way is to start writing from behind. We will start writing from ones place like 5, 6, 4, 3. And next is 750. So I am writing from ones place 0, 5, 7. Right? And when there is any empty place, what we will do? We will put 0 there so that it will look nice and our addition will become easier. Right? कई स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, अगर वो 750 लिखेंगे तो वो ऐसे लिखेंगे 750, है ना? सो इट विल बिकम 7500 and the number is changed. So इसलिए I am saying कि आप पीछे से लिखना start करोगे, like 5 0 5 7, and I am going to put here 0. So you have written answer. Yes, Jaspreet, Prabhnoor, Jakshit, Shivang, very good. So here is 5. So 6 6 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 is carry over. Okay, now there is no need to put circles. I have told you, if it is completely on you. If you want to put circles, you can put, or you can also do it in your mind also, or you can also write side by side. There are 3 ways. आप साइड में भी लिख सकते हो, अपने माइंड में भी कर सकते हो, और ऊपर भी लिख सकते हो. दिस इज योर विश, जो भी आपको इजी लगे. And next is 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 5 here and 1 will be carry over. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So very good to those जिनका आंसर आया है 8575. प्रियंका हैज रिटन 4215. बच्चे ये किसका आंसर लिख दिया आपने? ये तो आसपास भी नहीं है 8000 के. सो प्लीज करेक्ट योर आंसर. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर, 8575. So now shall I erase? Show me your thumbs up if you want me to move next. Show me. Saksham, are you done? Prabhu Arora, show me your thumbs up. Navya is showing thumbs down. Bache, do quickly. Dinesh, done. Udevi, done. Gavneet, done. Okay, very good. Gurjot Singh, where are you? I can see only your curtain. Where are you? Kanupriya is showing 2 thumbs up. Aspik, very good. So I'm going to move next. So next is find the difference. Difference means quickly write in the chat box, बच्चे, what does the difference word mean? What is difference? Minus, धनकौर. Okay, देख लो एक बारी, addition तो नहीं है, फिर भी think twice. Yakshit, Sameer, minus. Yes, very good. So second sum is find the difference. This time I am not using the word add or subtract. Okay, now we are grown up, so I am using the word sum for addition and difference for subtraction. Find the difference. Okay, so the statement is 5417, 2185. Do it. Find the difference, and difference means subtraction. You need to do subtraction here. 5417 and 2185. Clear? So do it quickly and nicely. Yes, बच्चे, you need to write it in your notebooks. There is no need to ask. कहाँ पे करोगे आप? ये sums तो book पे भी नहीं है. I cannot zoom my screen, बच्चे. You can zoom your screen, and I can move my table up to this length. Okay, 3232. Prabhnoor, bache, you have added the numbers, but I have told you to do difference. Difference means subtraction, not added. Yes, ma'am. Okay, completed. 3232. Good. But I need more answers, so I'm waiting. I'm not doing it on board. Very good. Raghav, Anantika, Astik. Astik is done. Good. So this is your revision part. So the main thing is आप खुद ही करोगे ये सारे sums. I will just match my answer with your. आगे क्या होता था? When we do the main work, मैं sum करती थी and you match your answer. लेकिन this time मैं आपके साथ match करूंगी. हरसीरत, answer is different बच्चे. 0 आपका wrong है answer. वैभव, answer is wrong. Very good. Just Raj, Harshit, Raj Kaval, just Raj, 3,232. Yes. Yes, Vaibhav. 31. Yakshit, आपका आंसर wrong है बच्चे. Check it twice. So I'm also doing it on board. Find the difference, and difference means subtraction. Firstly, we have to arrange these numbers according to place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 5,417, 2,185. Okay. So this is very simple. 7 minus 5 is 2. And here is 1 and here is 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 1 simply. So 1 will carry from 4. So borrow from 4. So it will become 3 and it will become 11. And 11 minus 8 is 3. And other is very simple. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is 3,232. 3232. Right? Done? And I'm also not moving fast कि आप सब भी easily कर सकते हो. So I'm giving you just 1 minute. Complete it. Gavneet has done. Very good. Or so we are moving to next. Next is add. This time I'm just writing add. And you know its mean. Very simple, add. Right? So the numbers are 5,430, 375 and 4,540. Very simple. Five thousand 430, 375 and 4,540. Okay, Astik has done. Answer लिखा है आपने. So let's match your answer with others. Anantika is done. Anurag, Harsh, Harshit. Harshit bache, your answer is wrong. Sameer, Jivesh, Vaibhav. Yes, almost the answers are same. Harshit, Raghav, very good. So you have done right, very good. So let's do this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And you know how to arrange 5,430. 375. So we will write 3 here at hundreds place. 75. 4,540. And here place is empty. So what we will do here? we will put 1 0 and start adding. Okay, so 0 5 0 is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 4 is 14. Okay, my numbers are wrong. So here is 5,430, 375, 4,540, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. यहाँ पे 4 आएगा. Why everyone is writing 10315? It means एक बच्चे ने आंसर लिखा. That means you have copied. है ना? अब आंसर्स चेंज आ रहे हैं. So let me see who has given answer first. So let's see. आस्तिक ने सबसे पहले लिखा है 10,315. साथ में अनंतिका, अनुराग, हर्षित, समीर, जिवेश, everyone is giving wrong answer. This is wrong बच्चे. If you are copying the answers of others, अगर एक बच्चे ने पीछे 15 लिख दिया, आप भी 15 लिखे जा रहे हो, तभी मैं देखूं मेरा तो 45 आ रहा है ना? This is wrong बच्चे. If you are copying, किसी का different नहीं आया. अभी शिवांग has written different. First one is Shivang, who has written different. Then Sameer, then Simmerpreet. So this is very wrong, बच्चे. If you copy your others' answers, very wrong. जिनका भी मैंने starting में name लिया, आस्तिक के बाद अनंतिका, अनंतिका के बाद line wise जैसे भी मैं बोली, एक बच्चे ने wrong लिख दिया और आप वही copy कर रहे हो. That is very bad. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 and 1 is carryover, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is the right answer, 10,245. Wait, 1 here is carryover, 14, 345, yes. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 4 here and 1 is carryover, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 here and 1 carryover. So what is the reason behind अगर एक बच्चे ने लिखा, starting में एक बच्चे ने लिखा 10,315, so at least I got 10 to 15 answers same. So ये मैं क्या समझूंगी? क्योंकि एक चीज एक बच्चा सेम मिस्टेक कर सकता है, दो बच्चे कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 15 बच्चे नहीं कर सकते सेम मिस्टेक. So you do your answers बच्चे, आप अपना सम करो और अपना आंसर मुझे बताओ. Just to take मैम्स ग्रीटिंग की मैम नेम लेंगे मेरा तो मैं ऐसे ही कॉपी कर दूं, that is wrong. Simple. मैं आपको बहुत प्यार से समझा रही हूँ. आप चाहे देर से करो, चाहे 2 minutes लो, 3 minutes लो, I will check your answer, but you have to write your answer honestly. आप अपना आंसर खुद लिखोगे honestly. प्रॉमिस करो आप अपने आप से और मुझसे that you will not copy anyone's answer. So next is, so I'm going to erase. Next is subtract. Number 4, subtract 2,345 from 6,550. 500. Do this. Subtract from. Okay, Anisha, I understand. Subtract. So tell me which number will come at the top, number 1 or number 2? Just write the number. 2,345 will come at the top or 6,500? Yes, 6,500. Very good. 6,500 because the statement is subtract 2,345. इसको subtract करना है आपने from किस में से? 6,500 में से. Okay, so 6,500 जो है वो that will be on the top. ठीक है? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 6,500 minus, ठीक है? किसमें से किसको करना है हमने इसमें से 2,345. Ekveer Astik Shivang has written answer. So I don't know whether you have done by yourself. So I want to see your notebook, bache. So Ekveer Astik Shivang, please show me your notebook in front of the camera. If you have done by yourself, then this is very good. I will say very good, but let me show your notebooks. Astik, show me. Okay, good. Astik, I have seen. Okay, Shivang is showing. Ekveer, you show me. आरव बच्चे, you have added these numbers और add करने के बाद भी इतना आंसर नहीं आएगा. Josna has written 3,000 something, others are writing 4,000 something. Jasraj, okay. Parveen, that's okay. Sameer, just जो मुझे show करे notebook. Simarpreet, okay. Yes, Parveen, bache, I ready with Parveen. I have seen Piyush, okay. Harsirat, okay. Devansh, good. You have done, right. Raghav, your answer is different. Anurag, your answer is different. Gitansh, your answer is different. I'm not saying it wrong क्योंकि अभी मुझे नहीं पता आंसर क्या आना है because I have not solved it. So that's why I'm saying it's different. Sunita Rani, Krishika, आपका आंसर different है. Yes, Josna, I have seen. So let's see. I'm also going to solve. Here, 0 and 5. So there is a need to borrow. It will borrow from here. But ये तो फिर 0 है. So it will borrow from here. So 5 will become 4 and it will become 10. But we want our borrow, मतलब हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए इसका, हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए कि ये big हो जाए. So 10 will become 9. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is the right answer, 4,155. I think Josna, you have given 3,000, right? So we have not touched 6. So 6 come kaise hua? So this is the right answer, 4,155. 4,155. मैं विजिबल नहीं हूँ बच्चे. आई एम विजिबल. अनिशा, चेक योर कनेक्शन. यक्षित बच्चे, ऑन योर वीडियो. आई एम विजिबल. So 4 sums has done. We have done 4 sums, right? So 2 sums we have done, addition, and 2 sums of subtraction, and both the statements were different. Firstly we use find the sum, then we use add. फिर हमने जब subtraction की sum किया तो then we use find the difference and subtract. Simple. Okay, no need to say sorry. No problem, you can make mistakes and after that you will correct it. Okay, so let's do last sum and after that we will mark our attendance, but after doing this sum. So last is mixed sums because today we are doing mixed sums, addition and subtraction. So this time again I am taking one mixed sum also. Mixed sum आपको पता है ना, एक ही sum जिसमें हम add भी करते हैं as well as subtraction भी. So its statement will solve. Here we will not write add and subtract. So solve. Okay. So 5,650 minus 2,360 plus 3,000 6,500. So here, so I am taking statement from my side. जो मेरे mind में आ रहा है at a time, I am just writing this statement. So in this, firstly, tell me we will do which operation. Means सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will do subtraction first, or addition first, or we will solve bracket first. Tell me. Minus, minus. Dhankar has written plus, minus, bracket. Sameer. Yes, minus बोल रहे हो या bracket बोल रहे हो, same thing है, क्योंकि bracket में ही minus है. Addition, Samar. So those who are writing addition, बच्चे, this is wrong. मैंने आपको बोला था, when there will be no bracket, then we will solve addition first. But here is bracket, so we need to solve the bracket first. बस ये बात आपने याद रखनी है. अगर plus और subtraction में option हो, you will do addition first, okay? But if there is bracket, then we will solve bracket first. चाहे फिर उस bracket में plus हो, चाहे minus हो, no need to think. Okay, so first, so we will do this sum by dividing it in parts. Part 1, part 2. Okay, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is 5,650 minus 2,360. So we are going to subtract this. Start doing, bache. You will do by yourself. Part 1 का आंसर आप लिखोगे सिर्फ in the chat box. Not, I need not complete answer. Firstly, write part 1 answer. Raghav and Astik, both answers are different. No problem. Piyush. Piyush is also writing the complete answer. Bache, I'm asking for part 1 answer. Yakshit has done complete. Yakshit, show me your notebook. Bring more closer. So this is part 1. Where is part 2? Okay. Yes. आप part 1 का आंसर बता रहे हो. Very good. So here is 0. So 15 minus 6 and it will become 5. Yes. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Very good. Yes. So you have done part 1. 3,920. So now we have to add this number in this. Okay. So we will take this number here. 3,290 will go here. And 3,500 plus 3,290. Okay, ये हमारा वापस ऊपर जाएगा part 2 में, and we will add this number and 3,500. Yes, good. Sameer, Astik, Ayan and Arav, you have written answer complete. Shivang, Josna, good. 0, 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 3 is 6. So answer is 6,790. 6,790. $6,790. So I hope you all must have done this sum, right? So by the time ma'am is sending you a link, so open the link and quickly mark your attendance. After that, come fast and we will discuss our today's class, that what we have done today. Yes, good. Very good to those whose answer is right. The complete answer is 6,790. So this is the complete answer. Click on anyone's link. Done, Japanjot. Okay. Okay, almost you are done, right? So this sum is done, bache. If anyone is there who has not done, you can tell me. I will wait for 1 minute. Harsirat bache, you can write in the chat box. Ma'am, please unmute Harsirat. Harsirat Kaur.
Excuse me.
Yes, बच्चे. बच्चे म्यूट हो आप. You are muted. Ma'am will do again. Wait.
I have given her option number of times, ma'am, but she is not unmuting now.
हरसीरत बच्चे, you have to click just one time. अगर आप दोबारा अपने आप को म्यूट कर लोगे ना, फिर आप नहीं हो पाओगे. Yes, yes.
मैम मुझे ये नहीं समझ आया जो आपने अभी माइनस कराए है पहला जब मम्मा मुझे करा रही सी वैसे उदो तो है ना उदो तो मैंने पहला प्लस किया सीगा
क्या
जब मम्मा करा
मैंने यही तो बोला बच्चे. This time my statement is different. Tomorrow we will again do these type of sum. इसमें क्या है कि ब्रैकेट है. मैंने आपको बोला you have to solve the bracket first. ऑलरेडी हमने ये वाले सम बहुत किए हैं. अगर इस ब्रैकेट में पहले बच्चे प्लस होता, फिर माइनस होता, फिर ऑब्वियसली आपने पहले प्लस ही करना था. बट अभी यहाँ पे माइनस है. ओके, but bracket है. Firstly you need to solve the bracket firstly. Wait, I am clearing your doubt. Solution मिटा रही हूँ मैं. अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं any statement 1453 plus 2300 minus 1000, तो इस सम में क्या करना है हमने? So we will add these two first. जो आएगा इनको ऐड करने के बाद उसमें से हम 1000 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. लेकिन this time bracket is there. If there is a bracket, then we will solve bracket first. अगर मैं यहाँ पे bracket लगा दूं, इसका मतलब पहले हम ये solve करेंगे, फिर जितना आंसर आएगा इसमें हम उसको add करेंगे. Firstly, we will solve the bracket and then we will do the complete sum. अगर bracket नहीं है तो पहले हम addition ही करेंगे. बस ये चीज आपने अपने mind में रखनी है. I'm speaking it again. First is to solve the bracket first. If there is bracket, solve the bracket. If there is no bracket, then you will do addition first. Subtraction तो हमने कभी भी पहले सोचना ही नहीं है. Number 1 पे है हमारे bracket, ठीक है? That we will solve bracket first. चाहे उस bracket में minus हो, चाहे plus हो. And then we will do addition if there is no bracket. अगर bracket नहीं है, then we will do addition. Okay, clear? No problem. Today we have done revision of just this one sum. Tomorrow when we are going to start the class, I will start from these type of sums, right?
मैम मुझे एक समझ आ गया. जैसे जब ब्रैकेट नहीं होगी तो है ना हम माइनस प्लस दोनों ही कर सकते हैं. आपकी मर्जी है क्या?
जब ब्रैकेट नहीं होगी तो हम पहले ऐड ही करेंगे. जब ब्रैकेट नहीं होगी we will do addition first. उस ऐड करके जो आंसर आएगा then we will subtract. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Tomorrow we will do these type of sums again. Now our meeting is going to end. So this was all for today's class. We have done revision of addition and subtraction sum, mixed sums, and related to this, a worksheet will be there in your group. Okay. So solve that worksheet. And bache, yesterday I have shared one video. Have you seen that video? And have you done the circle using compass? आपको पता चल गया है ना how to draw a circle using compass? I have sent a video in the group also. अगर जिन के पास that time compass नहीं थी, so I hope you are done, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's good. Raj Kaval, what